In this video, we are going to quickly see how Nano Banana can easily fix the texture and the skin tone of any picture. So let's say that your picture looks kind of greenish or purplish. Here's how you can easily fix that in just a couple of seconds. And this is just an example. You can use any picture of yourself or any picture taken from your camera, and you can easily color balance this. So what we need to do is just only go to Gemini, upload the image, and for sake of this example, I'm using this one, and let's ask to simply fix the skin tone. If it is unable to generate proper results, we will also try Marina for the same thing. So we can see that we almost got the same result. Let's now head over to Marina and click on the plus sign, upload this, and let's simply ask to fix the skin tone. So if you are in the battle mode, it will always generate 2 results, and that's best for us. So here are some of the results, but we got the same result. So let's ask to fix the greenish tone and make it vibrant. Let's try something like that. And still we almost got the same result, but this one looks better. So let's download this and compare both of these side by side. So this one is the before and this one is the after. As you can see, it has perfectly fixed the skin tone and removed the greenish effect and make it vibrant how we wanted it. So this is another example on how you can fix the color tones and the overall color scheme of the picture using Nano Banana simple commands. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.